What's good, everybody? Happy Monday. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Another record day here for the markets. More record highs. What do you want? The S&P was up 14, the Nasdaq was up 58, and the Dow 30 was up 140, all hitting new record highs once again because of tax reform. Everybody's excited about tax reform. I don't know why. The carried interest is still in there. All those other loopholes are still in there, and I still can't do my taxes on a postcard. I was promised I was going to do my taxes on a postcard, send it in, and everything will be fine. My taxes are definitely not going to be done on a postcard, I can tell you that much. Nonetheless, everybody's still excited that for some reason they're going to pass, not tax reform, this is going to be like just a tax adjustment, really? I mean, it's not really reform in any way. They're not doing anything special, but everybody's excited. So look, that's going to be the topic of discussion for the rest of the week because I promise you, like I said in previous videos here, previous updates, they're going to wait until the very last second, until all of you all are paying attention on Christmas and cooking and prepping or traveling, and then they're going to pass it. So look for them to pass this Friday, probably at the last possible second. That's my prediction. If it's anything like any other major event where they spend our money, that is exactly how they will do it. Not a conspiracy theorist. I don't believe in that stuff, but you know, just got to play the facts there. But let's talk about some stocks today. What's going on in the markets? Twitter. You guys have heard of Twitter. Twitter is up about 11% today. They got upgraded by JP Morgan. JP Morgan has analysts. One of the analysts pays a lot of attention to Twitter. He looked at this and he's been obviously studying this and he said, you know what? They have some improved product features. Their daily active user growth is actually going higher and we feel like that's going to drive revenue. By we, of course, it's JP Morgan. So after a rough start to the year, really, as you can see on the chart there, Twitter is up by almost 50%. 11 of that coming today. That's that little big green thing you can see on the screen right there. So that's a name you've heard of that was doing pretty poor. Now seems to be turning things around. Hershey. You know Hershey's, right? Hershey Kisses, Hershey candy bars. I love all of them, man. Good chocolate. Nonetheless, they are one of the companies that's starting to go out and buy other companies. It's very popular right now. There's a lot of deals going on. Lots of deals. You got Aetna and CVS, Verizon, AT&T. You've got Hershey here now buying Amplify snack brands. I actually know one of these guys, so got a congratulations phone call in the works for him. But BETR, these guys make that PopSkinny popcorn. You've probably seen the package in stores, a little pricey, but they're selling out to Hershey's. They're going to buy them for 1.6 billion. Yeah, 1.6 billion. That's the deal total there. So shares of BETR up 71% today. That's probably where it'll stay, by the way, until the deal goes through because that's it. Everybody's figured out what the value of those shares should be. Moving on to another deal, we've got Campbell Soup. You've heard of Campbell Soup. Well, they're buying the potato chip maker. You know their, what do they call them? The Cape Cod chips. You've probably had the Cape Cod chips, or at least you've had Snyder's pretzels. That company is getting bought by Campbell Soup. They're spending $50 a share, or about $5 billion in pure cash, right? Just a straight cash deal. That's pretty cool. The symbol is LNCE. And so it's up to $50. That's pretty much where the deal is going to close at $50. The stock was up 7% more today. If you look back, it appears as though someone may have knew that that was going to happen because the stock had already rocketed higher. But look, that's happening right now. All of the news, or the majority of the news, is focused on deals being made. I was trying to think of some of the other ones. Arby's buying Buffalo Wild Wings, and of course the Disney buying Fox and their assets. So it's deal-making season. Every day there's a couple deals being announced, and that doesn't even include, I didn't even include in the deal today, we had, gosh, I can't think of it. Aetna? Somebody else buying somebody else. But there's a lot of that going on. So that's really driving the market's underlying stocks, right? The excitement is on tax reform. That's driving the major indices and all the big name stocks. But all of this sort of background information is on acquisitions. If we take a look a little bit further in here, we've got retail stocks. They were up about 2.5% today, making new highs here in the short term. Retail typically doing well this time of year. Oil service stocks all doing well. XOP is a popular ETF. That's what you're looking at on the screen, up about 2% today. And on the downside, what do we have here? Volatility. That's not something we talk a lot about. Volatility, this is the level of fear built into the market. You could see that the level of fear in the markets at the moment are non-existent, right? Not there. The more fear there is, the higher this product goes. The less fear there is, the lower it goes. It is currently trading at new lows while the market is trading at new highs. So obviously nobody's scared of anything, or should be, right? I mean, what's to be scared of? Everything's looking good. We're hitting all-time highs. Everything's good. So if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment in the description below. If you own any of those stocks and they're doing well for you, or you have some stocks that aren't doing well, let me know. Tell me what's going on. I can't give specific stock advice, of course, but let me know what you think. Do you enjoy this market review every single day? If you enjoy this, let me know as well. I love to keep doing them. It's something I love to do every day. So let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching. Have a happy holidays as we wind this week down a little bit early probably, and we'll talk to you later.